My counter question to you is, Mr. Narendra Modi tweets on every issue. He tweeted on the Prime Minister's statement that he was ready to work under Rahul Gandhi. Where is Mr. Narendra Modi's statement on the UP situation, the violence, communal violence in Uttar Pradesh? Why has Mr. Narendra Modi not spoken of the violence in Uttar Pradesh? He chooses not to speak when it's not comfortable for him to speak.
Well, I must tell you, Mr. Modi has always been condemning riots or violence, including in Gujarat. Why are you talking of Uttar Pradesh?
So why
he has
not
been saying that repeatedly
from him on this issue?
No. Surely, maybe whether it is Congress party or be it Samajwadi party are so much into almost Modi bashing because they are so scared of his popularity, his appeal among the people, among the youth all across the country. Therefore, maybe he will take his own call. Surely he would. On behalf of the party, we have condemned it. The entire BJP has condemned it. Today I was going to offer my whole sympathy and pray for peace and amity. I was not allowed to go. I came back. Therefore, the BJP is very much there.
Mr. Prasad, that's just
Modi.
one point.
Let us not go into that issue.
But Mr. Prasad, that is just one particular aspect. The other aspect is the point that you mentioned. Mr. Prasad, the point that you mentioned that in the Congress you have the Prime Minister who repeatedly has to say that I am willing to work under Rahul Gandhi. Can you say that with certainty in your party that there would be those senior leaders who would be willing to work under Mr. Narendra Modi? Democracy aside,
is very simple.
Is there some discipline in BJP? The issue is not of democracy, it's about discipline.
Yes. Are the Congress ministers willing to work under Manmohan Singh? Let me ask a counter question to you. We see in the parliament day in and day out what kind of respect and authority is given by the senior colleagues of the Prime Minister to the office of the Prime Minister, to the persona of the Prime Minister.
My question goes unanswered.
Therefore, please, Sanket. Yes, yes, my reply to you is very much.
Very simple question to you, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, is that will L.K. Advani, will Yashwant Sinha, will Murli Manohar Joshi work as ministers under Narendra Modi? Isn't that the problem that your party is grappling with? And unless you solve that problem, how will you announce Narendra Modi as the prime ministerial candidate?
Navika, I'm sorry, I apologize to you. Navika, first of all, you have conceded that yes, I have already apologized to you, that maybe I am coming from that show, therefore, but leave it there. Therefore, first you are conceding that Mr. Modi will become the Prime Minister. Then all these are hypothetical questions. Who will be in the cabinet? What shall be the formation? The party will take a call. The leader will take a call. But the third time, Navika, since you are raising about, don't be unfair to Advani ji. You are being grossly unfair to him. Advani ji is the tallest leader. Surely consultation, coordination, exchange of ideas is a part of healthy democracy. We have no sermonizing here. But yes, having said that, there is a groundswell of support from Mr. Narendra Modi, but the party's parliamentary board will take a call.
Let me ask the converse question to Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Dr. Singhvi, the Prime Minister said that he is ready to work under Rahul Gandhi. In 2014, if the Congress party were to form a government, what will Dr. Manmohan Singh do? Will he be the finance minister, the external affairs minister, or the home minister for Rahul Gandhi? I mean, the same situation will apply to the Congress party. And if he does not work under Rahul Gandhi, will you drop Manmohan Singh like a hot potato after he's worked for a decade as the Prime Minister of India?
I like the way you distort the word said. I have it here with me, you have it more easily. Please take up the 4-line answer to the last question the Prime Minister gave. He never said what you are distorting that he said. He simply said that the Congress party and I would be happy to work under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, who I think should be the Prime Minister. That's what he said. Now, I am not here to answer speculative questions because the answer will be the same.
But that he is doing in any case.
2009
Dr.
and earlier. Can I finish?
Rahul Gandhi being the vice president of the Congress party.
Look, of course, that's what he meant. That's what he said. And that's the stand of the Congress party. That there is no vacancy for Prime Minister today. As far as 2014 is concerned, let the elections happen and the Congress president and the Congress leadership will decide what is to be done. And you'll have the answer. That's exactly what was said pre-2009.
Dr. Singh?
But I'm amused to hear, I'm amused to hear on your program this point about who's... Well, you know, you'd love to have these sensational, provocative questions, but you know, you can live in your own. If we had lost confidence, Dr. Manmohan Singh,
these are easy
we wouldn't
questions.
have had now close to 10 years of governance. 10 years of governance.
Everyone wants
10 years of governance.
Have you lost confidence?
We wouldn't have had 8.5 years of superb growth, and in those 8.5 years, our lowest has been higher than the BJP. I'm amused to hear from Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad that we are being unfair to Mr. Advani. According to Mr. Advani, those who are being most unfair to him are the BJP itself. We have found the BJP like a cabal of persons fighting, jostling, jockeying and sulking for power for the last 8 years. And they are talking about us. They are saying, 1 minute, okay, now, Navika,
growth at this
yes,
juncture.
yes,
That probably is
not
the
brave,
most
not brave,
note at
candid,
this point in time, in whatever musical language you may like to
brave.
address that.
Navika, not brave, candid and balanced. Yes, we are not on so good economic times now, but we were on excellent economic times for 8.5 out of the 9.5 years, let me repeat. In those 8.5 years, the same Prime Minister, the same Council of Ministers which worked with perfect cohesion, which Mr. Prasad says was fighting and not obeying the Prime Minister.
But Dr. Singhvi, my question goes unanswered even now.
Just let me complete, please.
Have you lost confidence in Dr. Singh post 2014? You're confident of winning 2014. Will you project him again as PM?
You cannot jump topics with a pincer movement.
That was my simple question, sir, which a lot of people want to know.
Question. I will still answer the first question in my time, and then I will answer your question.
Okay.
Please don't interrupt me. To answer Navika's question that I'm a brave person, I said I'm candid and balanced. Here is a Prime Minister with 9.5 years under his belt, of which 8.5 years, our lowest growth rate with the same Council of Ministers has been higher than the highest of the NDA average. No answer. We've had excellent times, and we have for 1 year not so good times, and you start junking the whole thing and saying, throw the baby out of the bathwater. As far as lost confidence is concerned, which little bird has told you that? Just because you on the television channel asks the question repeatedly, do you think Dr. Manmohan Singh would have been the only Prime Minister after Nehru to have been completing 2 full 5-year terms if we had lost confidence in him? Everybody knows that the party is the mother of the government. If the party did not have confidence, in Dr. Manmohan Singh, do you think he would be only the second Prime Minister in India after Nehru to have completed 2 5-year terms? Now you are into pure speculative. The speculation helps the TRP you think of times now. It helps sensationalism.
Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, everybody has a reality check. Growth cycles happen, ups and downs happen. The reason the Congress party, the Congress-led UPA government is questioned is because there are several decisions that you took and several decisions that you did not take, which has probably led us to this. But let me get in Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, who wants to rebut you. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, go in.
Well, Navika, let me tell you, on your program, call Abhishek Manu Singhvi one, we will have a full-fledged debate on the decline of Indian economy and how Dr. Manmohan Singh government is responsible for that. It is the most corrupt government since independence. The image of India stands dented, corruption after corruption. This government is leaving a legacy of suffering India, insecure India. Inflation, price rise, deficit, he talks about that. They have built upon the big legacy which the India government left of 8% growth. And the moment the whole foundation became exhausted, they are suffering till date for the last 4 years. Therefore, we'll have a strong debate on that. But today what is important is why the India's growth story has come to this situation. If Indians are not investing in India, why will foreigners will come? In spite of FDI in retail, Navika, you know, after full 1 year, not even 25 naya paisa have been invested. Because investors don't trust the credibility of this government, the leadership, because of corruption.
You've been spokesperson and senior advocate for far too long. The moot question to you is, you may deflect as much attention towards the wrongdoings of the Congress.
I'm not deflecting. The people of the country are going to give an answer.
House in order.
In the election,
you are going into the 2014 elections. You want to portray Mr. Narendra Modi as your prime ministerial face. It's been a long time that the country has been waiting. Just what is holding you back? First, address your own problems, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Well, the position is very clearly, once the party will take a decision, surely all these concerns will be addressed.
I
You
thought the
want
decision
us
would
to
have
rush
been
through the
taken
whole
in
thing
June itself.
in a haste. Oh, but that is your assessment. At least trust us about the ability of our own party to take a decision at the appropriate time. Once the decision is taken, surely
So will
it
there
will
be
go to
a
the
vote
entire
in the
country.
parliamentary
The people
board?
know.
You have
The
an
pe-
11-member parliamentary board.
No.
Remove Mr. Narendra Modi, who cannot vote on his own case. 10 other members. Will you have a vote? Will you choose your prime ministerial candidate by consensus or by a majority vote in the parliamentary board? Will it lead down to a photo
Well,
finish in the parliamentary board? Is that what you're saying?
Madam Navika Kumar, you have been following my party for some time. BJP be in the state working committee or the national working committee or the parliamentary board. We don't go by vote. We have been going by consensus, by consent, by dialogue, by consultation, and once a decision is taken, after free and frank exchange, unlike the chorus of Rag Darbari, surely we permit
Mr.
differences
Prasad,
of